Hi, hello, welcome. This is Edwin from Perennial Tech Updates channel. In this video, we are going to see how to cast your latest Android smartphone to your Windows 10 PC in just 2 clicks with an inbuilt app called Connect. Let's see how to do it. To start with, make sure your mobile and PC is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. If not, please do so. Once it is connected and confirmed, go to your mobile settings. In that, search for cast in the search settings field, or go to your display settings. Inside that you will see cast, but in my mobile it is under Bluetooth and device connection. You see the cast option displayed. You can go inside cast and there will be 3 vertical dots on the top right corner. If you click on it, there will be an option to enable wireless display. You have to check the checkbox, and that's it. Now you can go to your laptop, search for the word Connect. It is an inbuilt app which comes along with Windows 10. So once you search and click on open, you will see the app is getting opened. Now in your mobile you will see the laptop name is getting enabled as wireless display. Now all you need to do is to tap on your laptop's name which is appearing on your mobile screen, and once you do that, your mobile will get connected and you can view your mobile screen in your laptop. And now you can use your PC monitor instead of your mobile screen to browse web, watch videos, play games, etc. I hope this video would be useful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe this channel. Also, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.